If you're brand new to Canva video editing, this is the perfect place to start. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Canva video editor interface so you know exactly where everything is before you jump into editing. Let's get started. First, open Canva and click Create a Design. From there, choose Video or select a custom video size depending on your needs. Once it opens, you'll see your canvas right in the middle of the screen. This is where you'll see your video as you build it. On the left hand side, you've got your main toolkit. This includes uploads for adding your own media, elements like shapes and stickers, text for adding titles, audio, videos, backgrounds, and more. These tabs are where most of your creative tools live. At the bottom, you'll see the timeline. This shows your clips and elements in the order they appear in your video. If you haven't added anything yet, the timeline will be empty. Once you start adding content, this area becomes really important. Up at the top, you'll find some helpful tools like undo, redo, and resize, plus the share button to export your video when you're done. You can also preview your video anytime using the play button above the timeline. If your project gets longer, you can zoom in and out on the timeline to manage clips more precisely. And finally, to start editing, just drag any photo, video, or element onto the canvas and it will automatically appear in your timeline. And that's your quick tour of the Canva video editing interface. Now that you're familiar with the layout, you're ready to start creating. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tips.